Stay. Up. Good boy. That's my good boy. Hey, sit. Sit. Can I have a high five? Can I have another high five? Excuse me. Sit. Can I have another high five? No. Sit. Sit. Can I have a high five? May I have a shake? All right, can you sit? Sit. He's saying, where's my CEO? Okay, sit. All right, Daddy's got a cookie for you. You want this? What do you do? What do you do? No. What do you do? Shake my hand. Good boy. No, sit. Shake my hand. Give me a high five. Good boy. I have another one for you. Go. Look what Mommy's got. Sit. Come here. Sit. Good boy.